Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we are strapping in to navigate a kind of shadow economy.
A huge one.
Yeah, it's the trading of virtual game assets. We're going to dig into PlayerAuctions, a platform that's been around since, what, 1999?
That's right. And this isn't some niche corner of the internet. We're talking about 3 million gamers using this thing
Wow.
across 300 different games. And the cumulative transactions, it's over $1 billion. This is a pillar of the digital gray market.
Okay, hold on. Gray market. Let's define that, because that term is really important here.
It's crucial. I mean, it's not the official store run by the game publisher, but it's also not the black market, with stolen or hacked goods.
So it's somewhere in the middle.
Exactly. It's third parties reselling legitimate assets they own. PlayerAuctions just facilitates it.
So PlayerAuctions isn't actually selling you anything.
Not a thing.
They're just the venue, like eBay for game stuff. They connect sellers, take their 10% cut, and that's it.
Right. Which means the whole experience, your entire purchase, depends completely on some random seller you've never met.
And that introduces a massive amount of risk.
Which is why they push their safety mechanism so hard. They have this thing called player guardian protection.
Yeah, and what's the claim on that?
They claim it eliminates 99% of transaction risks. The core of it is an escrow system. The seller doesn't get paid until you confirm you got your stuff.
That sounds pretty solid. But here's the part I found fascinating. The verification process.
Oh, it's aggressive.
It's unbelievable. For a $20 item, just $20, they might ask for your government ID.
And a photo of your credit card.
And a selfie of you holding the card. I mean, this isn't a mortgage application. It's for virtual gold.
Well, that just tells you how high the risk of payment fraud is in this space. They need that level of friction just to survive.
And they are surviving. The sources show a 4.2-star rating on Trustpilot. Over 16,000 reviews.
People do come back. But wait, how do you square that with the other sources? You look at the BBB and you see horror stories. Transactions for $2,000 just vanishing.
Right.
Or cases where the platform sides with the seller even when a buyer has game logs proving they never got the item. How does that compute?
That's the key. The high rating comes from successful repeat business with established, trusted sellers.
Ah, so people find a good vendor and they just stick with them.
Exactly. The positive average completely masks the severe risk you take when you deal with a new seller or when a dispute actually happens.
And those disputes sound brutal. That initial protection is tied to what, a 72-hour window?
Just 72 hours. That's your primary safety net. If you want protection after that, like if a seller reclaims their account 3 weeks later,
That costs extra, I bet.
it costs extra. And if a dispute does start, you're looking at a minimum of 10 days just for the initial phase.
10 days.
3 for the seller to respond, 7 more if they challenge it, and if it goes to their final resolution committee, there are no appeals. It's over. Wow. So the bottom line here, the real path to success is just obsessively checking seller ratings.
You have to. Stick with sellers who have hundreds, if not thousands, of positive sales. Dealing with a new seller is just gambling.
It's a total gamble.
And you cannot rely on the platform's basic protection. You have to document everything. Screenshot the entire process during that 72-hour window. It's your only real lifeline.
So we've kind of uncovered it. PlayerAuctions is legitimate. It's moved $1 billion. But you are not getting Amazon service.
Not even close. It's the Wild West with an escrow agent.
A perfect summary.
So here's a final thought for you to chew on. If even low-value virtual items require your government ID and a selfie to secure the transaction, what does that tell you about where digital identity security is heading for the rest of the unofficial economy?